nigga, but I will if I got to kill. If niggas get the fucking around. If niggas get the fucking around.
Respect come from admiration and fear. You can admire me or you could catch one of your wig. You see the Testarossa, the toasters right on my lap. So if a nigga get out of line and nigga get clapped, I got an arsenal of infantry. I'm built for this mentally. That's why I'm the general. I do what they pretend to do. Front on me now, nigga, I'll be the end of you. Forget your enemies and think of what your friends will do. I drop a bag off, they let a mag off. The heckling cops will tear half of your ass off. I'm not for the games, I'm not for all the playing. The hollow tips rain when I unleash the pain. Get the message from the lines or get the message from the nine. Paint a picture with words, you can see me when I shine. Put my back on the wall, nigga, watch me go for mine. I let 21 shots off at the same time,
Don't even look at me wrong when I come through the hood. Ain't nothing changed, still holla at my homies. And when I hit the block, I still will kill. And I don't want to, nigga, but I will if I got to kill. If niggas get the fucking around. If niggas get the fucking around.
Where I'm from, death is always in the air, homie. Nana love me, so you know she say my prayers for me. I come creeping through the hood wearing Teflon. Hit the corners, motherfuckers get left on. Niggas know if not, they better check my background. Try and stick me, I fill your back with Mac rounds. Ex-Supreme nigga 50 don't back down. I keep it funky like fiends in the crack house. Cross the line, boy, I'ma air your ass out. Screw your face at me, I wanna know what that's about. Nigga, I know you ain't mad, I done came up. And if you are, fuck you, cause I ain't changed up. The OGs wanna talk, but I don't know these niggas. And I ain't did no business with them, I don't owe these niggas a minute of my time. I get it cause I grind all across the globe like the world's mine,